Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll discuss more about alphabets. As you all know that I have already done 2 parts on alphabets, and who are my new friends, please go through those 2 videos, because in those videos we have discussed in details from A to D and from E to H. So today I'll start from the letter I. So let's start. I, India. Ice cream, igloo and iron. J, joker, jacket, jelly, jug. J. K, kitten, kangaroo, kettle and key. L, lion, lion. Lamp, lotus, leaf. M, monkey, moon, mirror and mat. N, nuts, necklace, newspaper and notebook. O, owl, onion, ox, orange. P, parrot, penguin, potato, puppet. Today we learnt about 8 more alphabets. Please keep on practicing from A to P with the phonic sounds. Phonic sounds is very important for the kid, because whenever they learn a letter with the phonic sounds, they automatically get to know this, that okay, apple, it's starting with A, apple, and then P, parrot. Okay, so they get to know the sound of the letters, and along with that they get to know the words also, whichever is starting with which letter, and they can do easily the matching and all those things. You can also start those things like matching the alphabets with that lettered words like parrot and P, apple and A, matching all these things and coloring those things. These things they learn more about these alphabets and the particular letter, and along with that the word which is starting with that letter. Today I'll do one more simple activity wherein they'll get to know the letters more accurately and they'll match the letters. So let's start the activity. will match the letters. Here I have got the cutouts of alphabets, cutouts of all the letters. So here I'll open one page, and whichever letter is there, we'll have to take that letter out and match it with this letter. This is an activity for which you can practice with your kids. Okay, so the first letter I have opened is I. So here we'll search. Where is I? They'll search for it. They'll search for it. Is this I? No, this is not matching. Here I have got I. The next letter is J. So J. This is J. So we'll search for J. Where is J? Where is J? We'll search for J. And here I have got it. So match it. J. Likewise, K. L. Now we'll search for M. Where is M? Yes, M. Now N. Matching letter alphabets, matching the letters. Now O. And we'll search for P now. P. As you saw, how interesting activities of matching we can do at home. You can cut out the letters from any foam sheets or any hard cardboards and paint it and make these letters separately for them, so that they can explore, they can know the shapes of the letters, they can match it, and many other activities they can do with these letters. In my 2 previous videos of alphabets also I have shown these letters, how to make them. Please go through that and make them at home, so that your kid gets more interested in learning these things. And along with this, please make them learn the alphabet song. A basic alphabet song I'll sing today, and you can take a note of that and make them practice at home. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? So practicing this song, they get to know the sequence of the letters from A to Z. This way this gets stuck in their head that these are the letters in sequence from A to Z. Along with that, phonics sound, again I'm telling you, phonics sound is very important for them to practice, to get the letters properly and to get to know their sounds and the words which are starting with those letters. Before starting writing, they can know this in details. After seeing all the videos on alphabets, all my videos on alphabets, you can make them practice all these things. So 10 more letters will be left, which I'll do on a separate video on another day, and you can then continuously make them practice all the letters with their sounds. Till then, keep watching my channel for more interesting videos. Bye-bye.